Okay, hello everyone. In this lecture, we will understand the next operation of a string. In a previous, we will understand about the get line input functions related to a string. That one is get line, push back, pop back. Right? Now, in this lecture, we will understand the capacity function related to a string. Means a string concept under the C++ have a class. That one is we include the string as a header file in a program. Then it contains some functions like a get line, push back, push in, or it may be the a push back, and the it's about to get line, push back, and the pop back. Same thing is about again some another concepts. That one is capacity functions of a string. That one is capacity. We will understand the theory related to the capacity first, or these functions, that is capacity, resize, and string to fit. These are the three functions which one is we will understand in this lecture. That one is just capacity function returns the capacity allocated to string. Means this function find out how many means how the particular size is allocated to a particular string. For example, we put the string as a size of a 20. This function gives the output as a string size is a 20. Can be equal, or it may be the size of a string can be equal to or more than the size of string. Means if the string size is a 20, then it may be the capacity is at 20 itself, or it may be a more than that. This is simply the process under the to verify the actual allocated memory to the particular string. With the help of capacity function, we will know about the size. Then next, that means the resize functions change the size of a string. Means if we put the string size, or it may be stores the string as a 20 character, then if you want to make it as a 10, you can make it with this operation, this function, that is resize 10. Then it reduces the size of a string. That is simply the resize function. Then string to fit, this function decreases the capacity of a string and make it equal to the size. Means if your string size is a 10 and our allocated memory is a 20, then we apply this function on a particular string, then it make it as a 10, and we reduce the memory size as a with a 10 space 20 to 10, and it's again the efficient as compared to the memory management. This is simply the three functions, that is capacity, resize, and the string to fit. Now we will run the code and we will understand how exactly it works. Then clear. Then the main function, that one is comes with the basic about to include the IO stream, include the string, and then using the namespace std, that one is used to see in cout. Same thing for the string class, which one is used for string resize, or it may be the string capacity. Then string dot string to fit function. Okay, now we will run this code and we will understand how exactly it works. That one is simply the what is a GCC, it's a compilation process. Now it will run it with the process. Okay, what will be the output? The initial string is, means we copy the static string is equal to, this is actually the input string. Okay, then this is the input string. Then display the string, which is to the initial string is, this is the initial string. Then resizing the process with the resize function. I already told you str is again the object of a string class. This is the declaration process or initialization process of object value. String dot resize, and we mention as a 30, and then we print that the string after resize operation is, we will, here is output is only the mention with the gigs for gigs. Actual string is gigs for gigs is for gigs. This is the whole string. But when we resize it as a 13, then it's only a print with the gigs for gigs. If we calculate or count the character 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. It also calculate the space also 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Total size of string is a 26. We will make it as a 13. That's why it's only prints the gigs for gigs because of its size is a 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Why it's only print the 13? Because of we resize it with the operation and mention as a size is 13. Okay, this is simply, and we print that as a only the 13 characters of a particular string. And the next operation, that is a string capacity, is a function. That one is which one? It checks the capacity of a function. Actual string capacity is when we define the object, that is a 26. This string size is 26, right? Then we just do a resize it with the only 13 character. But when we check it with the string dot capacity function, it gives the output as a, what will be the output? The capacity of a string is string dot capacity. It gives a in a number, that is a 26. Actual size of string is 26. We resize it with the 13, and we again check the capacity of string, and it prints gives the output as a 26 because of initially we defines as a 26 of a size of a string. This is simply the use of the resize capacity function or operations under the string. Now we will again, this is the function string dot string to fit function. What exact the use of this? This is the simply when we define the string, if we define the string size is equal to, it may be the 30, and if we apply the string to fit, then if the string or str is equal to Srikant, then what will be the input string? 1, 2, size of input string 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then when we make it with this function string dot capacity, it's a string to fit, and we pass the particular string or the current string, that is the 13, and we apply this function on a given string. Actual str contains a 13 character only, and then we apply this string or this operation, and then again we print the string capacity or the operation, run the operation of capacity. It prints a 13 only. Why? Because of we reduce the extra memory or remove the extra memory with the help of this string to fit operations. This is simply the use of why it's commented, because of again this operation is not available with this version. Okay, I will run all the particular functionality on the Linux system, and that one is easily runnable with no error. Okay, everyone understand about the concept about the string to fit? Okay, this is simply the string, your string size to a particular size of an existing string. That one is used to reduce the memory, or maybe utilization of memory is efficient with the help of this operation. Okay, this is simply the explanation about to capacity operation, resize and string to fit. Okay, thank you.